Wish you all a happy new year. Good day everybody. This is stock price movement predictor using Playwright Python, machine learning, Claude Desktop LLM and local MCP server. In this demo I have illustrated a model that predicts the stock price movement of the selected stock. For this demo, tools such as Playwright Python, machine learning and Claude Desktop LLM and local MCP server are utilized. Reliance Industries Ltd stock is being chosen and its data is scrapped from the 𝗧𝗘𝗖𝗢𝗢𝗟𝗦. Data scrapped is employed for generation of price comparison, spread of close and open, and future close price graphs will be generated by Playwright Python, and these will be used as input to Claude Desktop LLM, which in turn summarizes all the data generated in human-readable summary output results. Claude Desktop LLM is connected to the locally created MCP server, and this MCP server has two tools such as one for running the Playwright Python test and another for summarizing the generated data and graphs in Python. I have given a prompt to run the two tools for running the Playwright Python test and another for summarizing generated or scrapped data as output summary result. The execution has begun, the market depth data is scrapped, and the recent notifications are checked by the Playwright Python test script. The shareholding pattern data are gathered. The script navigates to the analytics module and data is scrapped. Automation test script browses the results. Navigation takes place to financial results module and the data is scrapped. Now the MCP server executes the summarize output tool and execution is in progress. These are details for the generated screenshots and graphs generated. The first is the market depth screenshot and the data is collected but the buy and sell are empty since the automation script was executed outside the trading or function of BSE. The second is the financial results screenshot details. The third is the open, close, high and low price comparison graph generated by the Playwright. The fourth is the trading volume versus spread close open combined bar and linear graph generated. All the above-mentioned screenshots and graphs are exported to the Claude Desktop LLM summary and its details. The following are LLM chat summary details. The first one is the current market data summary. The next one is the financial performance quarterly trends. Here the revenue has remained relatively stable. June 2025 quarter showed exceptional performance, healthy operational efficiency. The price movement analysis displays that the stock traded in a range, stable price action with low volatility, close prices have been consistently near the middle of the daily range. The volume spread analysis highlights highest volume spikes correlate with positive spread days, suggesting consolidation, and negative in recent sessions indicating mild selling pressure. The future price prediction predicts the direction as upwards for the next 5 working days. The summary prediction highlights the stock price movement prediction as likely up with strong fundamentals, stable technical picture, valuation, market position, prediction model. The risk factors highlights are negative spreads, lack of strong buying interest, global crude oil price movements can impact refining margins. In conclusion, the stock price movement predictor model predicts Reliance Industries Ltd stock is likely to close higher in the near term, with an expected price direction prediction as likely up. A stock price movement predictor model that predicts the price direction of the selected stock by using Playwright Python, machine learning and Claude Desktop's LLM and local MCP server is demoed. Thanks for your time and thanks for watching.